Adding string is a common operation in any program. In Vimscript, the syntax is a little bit different. You actually cannot use the plus symbol, because when you use the plus symbol, it first converts the string into a number. So what happens is, of course, 1 plus 2 is 3. That is because it is converted to number first before doing the addition. And if you want to add the string as it is, you need to use the dot rather than the plus. So as you can see, this is 12. You can also use the double dot, and it does the same thing. You can read more about the difference between dot and double dot in adding two strings together. And when we look at the help doc, there's no difference, as you can see, except double dot is preferred since one dot is ambiguous. And down here it also explains that except dot and double dot, all the strings are converted to numbers. Here's another example here where they're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and will produce a different result depending on whether you use the plus symbol or dot symbol. Now the point of confusion I had before was that you wouldn't need dot or two dots to add two strings together. So I used to think that sometimes you can do something like this to add two strings with a space in between. And that is because the echo command takes multiple arguments and they add those arguments with a space in between. So when we print it prints with a space in between, so it looks like you're adding two strings together without putting anything in between two strings. But in fact, you're not adding strings, it's just multiple arguments. So when we put the dot in between those two strings, you're adding two strings and passing it as one argument. So you can see that now there's no space in between hello and world.